Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your credit card information on AliExpress. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you are in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. After you are in the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now in order to change your credit card details, head over to the checkout section. You can just explore through the products and randomly select any product. Now in the products page, you can see the buy now button. Tap on it. Again choose buy now. Now it will take you to the confirmation page. Here you can change your credit card details. I haven't saved any payment details over here. Even if you have saved any payment methods before, let's say a credit card, you can change the credit card details by tapping on add a new card. You can provide the details of the new card that you want to change to. Provide the card number, card holder name, expiry date, CVV code, and you can tap on save and confirm. And later on you can remove the previous card and choose the payment methods to your newly changed card. And that's it, you've successfully changed your credit card information on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.